solution of exam advanced data analysis, January 2018. Okay, let's start immediately. Open Internet Directory. I click on any directory, //ubz01fst.unibz.it. If you have already been here, which means you have studied, you find it easily. Courses, not exam colletti not exams but courses, and here exam colletti. You find a long list of directories. Locate yours. In this case there's only mine. I take the 3 files and I copy them on my desktop. Well, in this case I have already them on my desktop, so the computer asks me what I want to replace. Yes. This is also the reason why it's important that for the exam your desktop be not a mess. So all the exam files present and chaos. I don't close this directory, I iconize it. Okay, let's start with Access. I open Car Workshop. It's always the same database, so you should know it by heart if you have studied. Create query 1 that lists all owners of cars whose plate, 7 characters, starts with A and ends with Q. Fields, owner last name, owner first name, do not show car's plate. So create. Oh, come on, create. Query design. Is it possible that Access every time I record a video stacks? Okay, I take from cars, also customers, and ownership because the table in the middle. Okay. So, what is last name and first name? And then here I need to put the car plate. Well, honestly, you don't need the table cars. You could take the car plate from table ownership. It's the same. And I write like. I zoom so you see it better. If it lets me zoom, obviously. Come on. Okay, it doesn't let me zoom. Ah, yes. Oh, finally. Like A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Q. Okay. Now I unflag here. This property sheet is not needed. I just switch to check. Yes, 2 people. Well, if you want, you can check also that they have really the car starting with A and ending with Q. Now I save. Query 1. Close. Create query 2 that lists the mechanics and the average amount of work hours. First and last name average of work hours. So create. Access is stuck as usual. Is it possible? Come on. No, finally. Query design. So, mechanics for sure. The number of work hours is a table in charge. Okay, I think fine. Close. So, first name, last name, and work hours. Switch to summary query. Average. Okay, I will say it's fine. Oh. Yes, save. Query 2. I don't care about the capitalization. It's fine. Query 2. Let's close it. Change field count in table customers and mechanics in such a way that counters are taken from a predetermined list which can be changed by the user without changing the table structure. Well, this is a typical thing I explain. You should build a table counters and then connect the field counter to that table. So create a table design. Well, here you have 2 options. Either you choose to take an ID as a country code, or you choose a country as primary key, the country name as primary key. If you choose country name as primary key, you do not experience the two mistakes I show here. If you instead choose, for example, an ID as primary key, auto number, in this case you experience the two mistakes, the two errors I show here, but it's not a problem. Country name, okay, switch, yes, I want to save it, countries, okay, country name, Italy, Germany, Austria, okay, save and close. Now I take from table customers, design view, I go here, lookup wizard, I choose this one, I take from table countries, come on, stuck, them, okay, okay, I want to display the country name, okay, fine, enable data integrity, and now in fact it may tell me some data may be lost, yes, okay. If you instead, I repeat, if you instead don't write the ID and choose country name as primary key, it works fine in that case. Now, stuck again. I have to do the same for mechanics and it will work. Let's see whether I can do it before tomorrow. Country, lookup wizard, next, countries, next. I want to show the country name, enable data integrity, finish. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now, database tools, if you want to see, show all, and you have also the countries which is properly connected. Why doesn't show here one infinity? For maybe I forgot enable data integrity. Oh yes, enforce referential integrity. Here instead it's enforced. Misclicked. Yes. Oh, luckily I went here to see. So now, okay. Now the database exercise is over. I close it. Okay. I copy it back, so I don't forget to copy it back. It obviously asks me to overwrite, and I check I'm copying from the desktop to Coletti Paolo and not vice versa. In this case, I replace.